All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's prepositions. So alongside. To be by the area of someone or something. I will always be alongside you. I'll always be alongside you. She wants to travel alongside me. He will travel alongside them. They will travel together. It will be alongside. It will be on anything alongside. I will. It can be found alongside with the other tools. So that spanner can be found alongside other tools. I, she, he, it, they walked alongside everyone else. Everyone else to the entrance. They walked alongside everyone else to the entrance. How cool is that? Yeah. So I went alongside them. So I went. Well, do you think I went alongside them to the event? Do you think I went with them? Yeah, I didn't go alongside them. They decided to go alongside the wall. So she is walking alongside the wall. Yeah. Yeah, she's walking alongside the wall. I worked alongside them, by their side. So he never worked alongside me in the company, but the other guy worked alongside me for years. Yeah, we worked alongside each other for years. Alongside each other for years. How cool is that? Yeah. We're building it alongside the contractors. Yeah. So they are building it alongside them. So they are building it alongside with them. Yeah. I am teaching alongside her. So she and I are teaching together. They're planning to sit alongside the others. Yeah, so they want to sit alongside the others in the meeting, game, event. Yeah, I will sit alongside them. Alongside them in the blue corner. So I will sit alongside them here. Or here. Yeah. They're all here, sat here, and I will sit here alongside them, looking at the game, the event, the stage. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use alongside in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.